Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is July the 26th and I'm using my brand new MACD trader system. Now I expanded the chart so that I can show you the MACD. It's this MACD. It's a customized MACD indicator with certain settings that makes it very accurate. And when you use the MACD along with the TZ magic indicator, this really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now this up and down movement, I call that the flow of the market. Now, there are 4 things that you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I provide the education. And most important, you need a daily trade plan. Now, you should be buying more education every 2 to 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Trading is very difficult. It is more difficult than if you wanted to become a doctor or a lawyer. So it's only common sense, the same as trying to become a doctor or lawyer. You're going to need a lot of education. Now what I like about this MACD is it'll give you an audio alert and a pop-up box like you see here, along with arrows, as you can see here and here. And once you establish the fact that the direction of the trade, the trade that you want to be going in, as the daily trade plan will suggest, then it's quite easy to make a decision whether you should be buying or selling. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer putting together my daily trade plan. If you ever wish to trade many pairs like I do, well, you need a daily trade plan. I could not do it without a daily trade plan. So we can take a look at this daily trade plan now. Here it is here, the daily trade plan for July the 26th. You can put the video on pause. You can read everything here. And everything was taken. It's very, very clear. Out of 21 instruments, I would say at least 80% are winners. Sometimes it's 100% are winners. But you'll only grab a trade once you get the signal to buy or sell. So there's plenty of trading opportunities every day with the daily trade plan. Now if you're interested in this one, mainly if the reason that you don't know how to make one, well, you can have this one for $100 a month, or if you so desire, I'll teach you how to make one of these. And it'll turn out to be exactly the same as the way I do it. So now we can get into these trades. So we can clear that, remove that, and I took all the trades at various times here, and I closed them all out pretty much almost to the minute, 9:49 and 9:50, 48. So for a few hours work, 7, 8, 9, another fantastic day of trading. And just looking right now at the total here, I am well over 400 pips and ticks. My goal daily is 200, and everything above the 200, well, I call that a fantastic bonus. So here we go to 30-year bonds. So let's see where I got in at. There's the arrow. I wanted to be buying. So I took the trade at this cursor. Everything is screaming as I teach a great way to trade within the videos. by the way, a great way to trade, has a very, very high success rate. Now I took the money and divided it by $5, and it calculator said 31, and there it is there, 31 ticks. And 31 ticks ended up paying out $1,550. Moving on to the euro dollar. This one pays $10. A pip, there's the arrow. Everything qualified for a great way to trade. Pull the trigger here. And if it's $10 a pip, it should be 21. So let's see if I can pull that up. There it is right there, 21 pips. 21 pips times $10 times 10 lots paid out $2,100. Moving on to the Euro New Zealand. Here's another one I wanted to be selling. Another one that did qualify for a great way to trade. The last arrow to the left was a red one down. So, quite simple. My daily trade plan said to sell. MACD said to sell. Well, can you make trading any easier than that? Super, super easy. And let's see, Euro New Zealand looks like 33 pips. And 33 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid $2,118. Moving on to another Euro trade, the Euro CAD. Let's run a check on that. So there's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Let's see where I got in at. Right at this cursor here. And I close it out here just being happy with about 28 pips. And those 28 pips paid out $2,175. Moving on to the next trade, the Euro Aussie. Everything was based on Euro weakness. As you can see in the meter right here, it is a bus driver and could have sold all the euros. Well, I ended up doing 4 of them, or 5. There's a Euro Yen down here. The meter, if you're trading without a meter, well, that's another mistake you're making. And keep in mind that all meters are not the same. So you have to have a good meter. I went through about 12 meters before I found a good one. So keep that in mind. Make sure you have a meter. Okay, ended up, let's see, Euro Aussie. Looks like 38. That would be about, 38 pips on the Euro Aussie trade paid out $2,705. Moving on to the Russell. Keep in mind the Russell does pay $10 a tick. So let's run a check on it. I waited for the pullback. As I teach in the videos, everything looked perfect for taking the trade. $10, let's see, 30. This has to be, because looking at the money here, it has to be 35. So let's see if I can find 35 here. Make sure I get it right on here. Okay, you remove the last digit, so there's your 35 ticks. 35 ticks times $10 times 10 lots. That's why you see it paid out $3,500. Moving right along to another Euro Forex pair, Euro Yen. There's the arrow, qualified for a great way to trade. MACD, everything is screaming along with the other indicators down at the bottom. To sell, so that's exactly what I did. So let's run a check on this one. Close it out over here. Remember, just being happy. Looks like I ended up with 52. And those 52 pips paid out $3,885. Okay, moving on to the S&P 500. Now this one pays $5 a tick. So I took the money, divided it by 5, and I came up with a number. And let's see if I can find that on the charts. So another one, qualified for a great way to trade. Took the trade at this cursor here. And by the way, that number on the calculator was 137. So 137, there it is right there. You remove the last digit, so there's 137 ticks. And 137 times 5 times 10 lots paid out $6,875. Moving on to the last trade, the NASDAQ. Now this one I love trading. It pays $20 a tick. So that's exactly what I did. I took the money, divided it by 20, and I came up with a number. So let's see where I got in at on this NASDAQ. Qualified for a great way to trade when I took the trade right here. And there's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Just to let you know, the calculator did say 82. So let's see if I can find 82 here. There it is right there. On the NASDAQ, you remove the last two digits, so there's 82 ticks. And 82 ticks paid out $16,520. Remember, each tick is worth $20. So it looks like all these trades did qualify for a great way to trade. That's probably what I'll call this video. I just added up all the pips and the ticks, and like I mentioned earlier, that is going to be over 400, and it is. The total was 457 pips and ticks, and those 457 ticks paid out $41,429. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis, like my MACD trader system, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget the daily trade plan. You must have a plan or you will fail at trading. So if you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this right up. It's my MACD trader system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. My MACD trader system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now included are 2 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is just a lot of bonus material, which is what you're going to need. As I mentioned earlier, you're going to need a lot of education. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of different ways. That's why I produce 22 training videos. Each video is about 30 minutes long each. Now you can put the video on pause and read everything here. Now if you have any questions at all, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And just to let you know, it's virtually impossible to actually talk to the main trader. And in all the years that I've been trading, I managed to do that only one time. It's very, very, very difficult to actually talk to the trader who actually put the system together and who's actually trading it. So that's what my mentor said. Find a system and a mentor, and a way that you like to trade, and then all you got to do is mimic what he's doing, and that's the fastest way to find success at trading. So as I mentioned, you can either call me, and if you live too far, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now I really do prefer Skype, so I made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link. Then we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype connection I'll give you, and of course screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks, and keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. So time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video and trading day, should be tomorrow, hopefully, as long as I don't have any distractions. And so between now and then, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.